Hello and welcome back to another Dominator 675 video. This is a subscriber showcase and we are showing off more of the amazing community models and the Model of the Week award. But before we kickstart the show, I'm going to show you how to submit your model. So you can go to my Discord server, link will be in the description, and you can whack your models in Model of the Week and model pictures. I do understand that many of you may not want to join my server, so you can also email me your models at dominator655models@gmail.com. Link will also be in the description below. So to kickstart the show, we have Dougme's lovely M41 Bulldog. It looks really crisp, the paint job is superb, and I really love the chipping as you will zoom in. You can clearly see the chipping, and it really does show the amount of time put into a model. This is a really good, realistic representation of an M41 Bulldog. So moving on to Max's wonderful abandoned Yak 38. He was a previous Model of the Week winner on this channel, and he's put out another absolute banger. Very clearly a huge amount of effort put into this model with the weathering, the decals, the coloured blending. It does really look superb. You can see here, this is the picture of a model of its entirety. The decals are crisp, paneling is crisp, everything is just wonderful, but he is not one today. This guy's one. So congratulations to Hobbit Feetman OEC with this wonderful Japanese STB1 tank. Now this really stood out to the judges and caught our eyes immediately. Detailing here and the very crisp camouflage in here really did wow the judges and caught the eye successfully. Really well done, Hobbit Feetman. Well deserved Model of the Week. So that is the end of that video. If you did enjoy this video and you would like to see more, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.